and welcome to Matthew 77 Network. My name is Freeman Singuran and I am reporting right now on Route 50 towards Maryland on Beltway. As you can see, the street is fairly decent. Very few service vehicles on the street. And aside of that, I am the lonely soldier, the army of one on the street right now. So again, for all of you guys who are on the road, please be safe. If you don't have great tires, if you have a vehicle that can handle this, please stay home. This is not a weather to be reckoned with. And as you can see right in front of me, we have these snow plowers cleaning up the street, making sure that everyone is safe. So stay tuned, guys. Be safe.